Enabling biometric login on your Western Union app can enhance security and make accessing your account more convenient. Follow these steps to set it up quickly. Step 1. Open the Western Union app. Launch the Western Union app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account before proceeding. Step 2. Access account settings. Navigate to the account settings by tapping on your profile icon or the menu option. Look for the settings or security section within the menu. Step 3. Select biometric login. In the security settings, find the option for biometric login. This may be labeled as fingerprint, Face ID, or biometric authentication. Step 4. Enable biometric authentication. Before changing your settings, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 5. Test the biometric login. Log out of your account and then attempt to log back in using your biometric method, fingerprint or facial recognition, to ensure it is working correctly. Now you have successfully enabled biometric login on your Western Union app. Enjoy the convenience and security it provides.